In 2020, approximately 50 people suspected of being members of the notorious Clansman Gang located in St. Catherine were expected to stand trial in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. In 2021, 20 suspected Clansman Gang members who were among 50 people arrested and prosecuted under anti-gang legislation were released because the evidence against them did not satisfy the legal threshold for prosecution. The anti-gang legislation was introduced in 2014 as a major crime-fighting weapon that would help destroy the country's criminal empires and, as a result, cut the murder rate, which authorities have mostly attributed to gangs. The Klansman Gang trial is expected to be the most significant criminal case in Jamaica and the English-speaking Caribbean. The lawyers on legal aid in the Klansman Don Gang trial say they are unhappy with the fees the government was paying them and asked the Justice Ministry to reconsider their compensation. To prove its case against the 33 alleged Klansman Gang members, the prosecution enlisted the help of 2 former Klansman Gang members from St. Catherine. Andre Bryan, also known as Blackman and Teacher, has been accused of being the organization's alleged leader. Stephanie Cole Christie, a female pastor from St. Thomas, is accused of conspiring with 5 of her co-accused, including the gang's alleged leader, Andre Bryan, Jason Brown, Fabian Johnson, Rivaldo Hilton, and Andre Golding, to enable the commission of an applicable offense by a criminal organization in connection with the arson of a dwelling on September 11, 2017, at the New Nurseries Fisheries in St. Catherine. Cole Christie, the lone female defendant, was the gang's esteemed liaison officer for incarcerated members and those on the outside. She was also allegedly in charge of finding lawyers for gang members and acting as a go-between for shady cops. Blackman and his alleged co-accused both entered not guilty pleas, clearing the path for the trial to commence. The gang, according to the prosecutor, attended meetings, planned unlawful actions, and hosted briefings and debriefings after each illegal mission from its headquarters on Jones Avenue in Spanish Town. According to the prosecutor, all 33 had various duties and responsibilities, including killers or shooters, bankers, drivers, lookout men or watchmen, gunsmiths, armorers, and foot soldiers. The Don Gang is said to have formed as a result of a Klansman split caused by an internal power struggle between Tesha Miller, the Klansman's claimed leader, and Bryan, who is said to be Miller's top lieutenant. Control of the lucrative extortion racket, which rakes in $1.5 million a day, was said to be at the heart of the conflict by the police. Tesha Miller was convicted of accessory before and after the fact of murder in the 2008 murder of Douglas Chambers, then chairman of the state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company, and is currently serving a nearly 39-year jail sentence. In his testimony, the male witness who said he was the banker claimed that he received between $80,000 and $100,000 6 days a week from a man at a bus terminal in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on orders from gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan. The witness, who was purportedly Bryan's personal driver, claimed that powerful people helped fund the gang's operations, which included malicious crimes committed by its members, including many killings. He claimed he also collected $200,000 monthly from other sources for the Bryan-led gang. He also told the court that he would collect $150,000 from a loan company on behalf of Bryan. The witness claimed that he kept track of all the money he earned in a notebook he kept in his bedroom. The cash was kept in a refrigerator, which was also located inside his home. Due to the implementation of the state of emergency in 2018, the witness claimed to have destroyed the book with the funds record. Bryan instructed 2 accused gang members to carry out the murder of a deportee at Jones Avenue, St. Catherine, the self-confessed gang member told the Home Circuit Court. On January 14, 2018, the victim, who was simply named as Rasta, was shot and killed. According to the witness, Blackman requested to be taken to the community of Lauriston in Spanish Town after ordering the hit in order to view the target of the hit. He testified in court that after learning that the hit was successful, Blackman burst out laughing. After they killed the deportee, the former gang witness testified that he gave $8,000 to 2 suspected members of the Klansman Don Gang for them to acquire food and drugs. He said he was ordered by reputed gang boss Blackman to give the killers the money to divide among themselves, and that he did so out of the daily extortion money he earned. For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.